Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture we are going to discuss about the flowchart to display the largest of the two unequal numbers. So let's start. First we are required to draw is the start symbol. So I am going to draw a start symbol here, this one, and I'm going to write start in the symbol. The next step I'm required to do is I want to take two numbers from the user. So these numbers should be taken by the user, so it is considered as an input, and input is written in a parallelogram. So first I am required to draw a parallelogram here. So okay, now I'm going to write within this parallelogram input, two numbers x comma y. So now I'm going to connect these two symbols with a flow line which indicates the flow of control. Just a second. Okay, now here I am required to draw a flow line, this one. So the next step is to take a decision that which number is bigger, either x is greater than y or x is less than y. So here I'm going to include a decision symbol which is considered as a diamond in flowchart. Okay, now I'm going to write here within this symbol is x greater than y. So if x is greater than y, either x is greater than y or is less than x. So is x greater than y? If this condition is true, means yes. So then what I am going to do is to consider the next step, means what this flow is going to perform next. And I'm going to connect this one again with the diamond. And now if this is yes, I should write yes here. If this condition is true, then it means x is greater than y. So there should be an output on the screen which indicates that x is greater than y. Sorry. So there should be an output on the screen that x is greater than y. So now I am going to write here output x is larger than y. You can display anything here. You can either display here that print x is larger than y, x is larger than y, means anything which you want to be displayed on the output screen, you can write it here. But it should not be like that if x is greater than y then print x is less than y, because it will be wrong. You should be appropriate that what is the condition, either it is true then print x is larger than y, and if it is false then what should you do? If it is false, then you should print some other message. So now I am going to draw a parallelogram again, but this time this parallelogram will print the message either x is less than y, or we can use the symbol less than here. Anything we want to be displayed on the screen should be written on within this symbol. So now I am going to print just like I have written output x is larger than y. I'll write here output x is smaller than y, or I can also I should write here that what is larger, because this flowchart should display that what is the larger number. So I should write here that y is larger than x. Okay, so here we have completed our task, but we should draw another symbol here which is stop, to indicate that the flowchart is terminated. So now I am going to write here stop. It is not necessary to draw this type of flow line. I've just drawn this because of availability of this type of arrow, but it's not necessary. You can use a simple arrow. Sorry, I should now use this one. Okay, so that was all for today's lecture. Thanks for watching.